Welcome back, guys, Crypto channel. Let's take a look at the updates for Somnia targets updates with my customer set. Guys, indication accumulation pump model still in play. 28 days ago, I posted the updates for SOMI and the market, the zone. All zones playing out perfectly well. And like you can see, that time it was the 100 EMA on the daily time frame. It was exactly at the daily order block, and it's still relevant, so we can delete it. So this order block, we get two order blocks. This one on the daily, it's the first one which we tested in January 25, tested almost and close 100%. So the road now open to test take profit line on the daily time frame. It's 36 cents 51. And the next target is going to be the next order block. It's 48.06 and the 57.59. So we playing out basically the red case scenario, not immediately going higher. So from the first January when I posted here, we going basically by red case scenario, but playing out perfectly well. We almost touched till penny the best zone to buy. So let's hide the take profit. So you remember, this is a model where you can use for any token after listing. Highly recommend you go and check free tutorial and track the tokens after listing where you need just one daily candle close. This model absolutely totally for free. You can use for any single token which lists on a major exchanges. So you remember this block and people screaming here at $1.85. We never dropped to your zone of interest, but we landed almost till penny. So guys, be careful, because we can't know what today the Jerome Powell gonna talk and on a FOMC meeting, right? We can't know what they decide about the rates. Probably it's gonna be the pause. I don't think so they will cut the rate again. So I think it's going to be the pause, and after that they cut in spring maybe, and it's going to be the top for BTC. So be ready for this case scenario, guys, also. So if you're not ready, better skip the talk and not trade, right? So the main zone of fixation is going to be here, swing trade. So 56, 33, 59, 94. All zones still in play. So like you can see, absolutely everything relevant. This was the first zone of interest. This is the second zone of interest. Invalidation of this idea is the token dump on the listing price. Got it. Also, guys, usually I showed you this is an order flow. So sooner or later, anyway, this year, next one, if this token will be still exist in centralized exchanges, at least we will go over than $1 to close the 50% of this order flow. If we talk, so it's going to be later, right? So if we talk about local zones, now we found the rejection at 38 level by FIB. Next one, guys, you can mark the levels and work from these levels. A main long position, it could be at 1758, 1462. Do you believe we're going to drop that low? Honestly, not. So take profit line, I showed you. Weekly time frame, unfortunately, there is no data yet for this indicator. 12 time frame, now we already at take profit line. So if you bought around here, even at that test at the beginning of December and hold it, right? So you bought and hold. Now it's not a mistake. Maybe to fix some profit, 57% on a spot. If you trade with a second leverage, it's 100%. So congrats with a great swing trade. If you bought, for example, at 61 level by FIB, of course, you should follow your plan and maybe fix after 100% withdrawal initial deposit, or fix at this swing trades zone based on this model. But keep in mind, we can still drop to 1758. Buy line now on 12 time frame is 1683 on a 12 time frame. Daily time frame, I don't think so. We're going to drop to the test of the buy line 1851. So the take profit basically playing out perfectly well and done. Let's double check ADZ direction and dashboard, guys. Highly recommend you use the dashboard. Like you can see, some local intraday, it's already 4 hour time frame take profit zone. AFRIA 1 daily time frame AFRIA zone, overbought on the direction indicator on the daily time frame. So highly recommend you just use the dashboard. You can adjust any time frame, in settings and use it. So based on the daily time frame, ADZ, guys, this is not accumulation. So it can't be the accumulation because we're just in the middle. Of course, it's not a distribution, not accumulation, just neutral zone. Sometimes it's happen, and we can trade a long-term period in this zone. This was a distribution, and we dump. So you can wait another distribution zone. Based on the direction indicator here, all this period since January 15, we was in accumulation block. Nice one. Now nothing. No sell, no buy. Nothing. 12 time frame here. We was oversaturated here on January 24, just 4 days ago. We dump. Now neutral zone. So it's good because take a look. It's almost the equal price, but totally different data on indicator. It's kind of really important because we can start from the divergence if we continue the bullish, right? So it can be the divergence like this one, usually 3 waves. So it can be even this move. And after divergence, when you identify it on ADC on 12 time frame, you can start sell some tokens. Direction, still no signals to sell based on direction indicator. So it's good. Market moods, of course, it's totally free on 12 time frame. Totally free on a daily time frame because we already performed pretty good one, so approximately like 79%. Weekly time frame still a free. That's why, guys, be careful because I repeat again, if you're not ready to see the potential 50% drop again, for example, like this one, just better skip the token. If you're confident and if you have a plan to buy this token, if you have a plan to accumulate this token for the long run, you can accumulate even. Now, I'm not sure because the zone of accumulation was 29, 24, but up to your own risk. So zones absolutely relevant. Highly recommend you even go to check the first video what I posted about SOMI after listing, and to understand the logic, why we are here. So this was a capitulation zone. Now it's A3. We can trade long-term period in A3. That's why be careful. With even the short position, because the people love to open short position, and after that liquidate, and this is a sad story. Money power, guys, here was so obvious. So some big whales accumulated this token on 12 time frame, this daily time frame accumulation. Now nothing. So no sales, no money outflow, no money inflow, nothing. Weekly time frame also, it's not like time to sell. Time to sell will be at the top with the money outflow. How the money outflow looks like, I would like to show it on 4 time frame. So this is how the money outflow looks like, but you need to add just alert to take 12 time frame, a daily time frame, for example, and track. So this is money in, pump, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. So the whales out. After that, they put the price higher, right, to treat the retail. So we go into the moon, and they out in average, and they dump to the money inflow from the whales, and take profit. I showed you trade on what we can see here. This was the 4 time frame by January 21, sell, buy back, 12 time frame buy, sell, buy back, and we didn't see the signal take profit from that sell. So just be careful, guys, because we can reject now at 38 and crash it down still to 1758. Just be careful, guys. Daily still in play. Buy. 2 signals in a row was not in a row. To buy, recommendation close position, and we go higher. So still no signals to sell. So globally, it's bullish. Of course, it's bullish. Last indicator, what I would like to show you, it's a brand new one, trading sessions. So now it's a London session, and I guess, well, you will see this video. It's going to be the New York session because I will post the video on schedule. And in New York session, we can retest the daily order block and reject. So I'll be not surprised if we're going to see this type of move in the upcoming days. And if we hold the line here at 29, it's going to be the bullish continuation of the uptrend structure to the next order block, to the zone of fixation. If we double check the opens, let's go hide the sessions and double check the previous week high, yearly open, monthly open. So at what levels we trade now? Let's hide the FIB, by the way, here. So we got the previous week high can be like also the magnet to grab that liquidity and hunt the stop losses. It could be the tiny stop losses, you know, like 2%. So with not a second, 10 leverage, it could be the 20% stop loss. That's why we can hunt that stop losses. Now, previous week low, it's 1834, previous day low. So it's hard to say, you know. Monthly open, yearly open, previous day high is over here. So we're already past that level. So one and only the liquidity pool is previous week high. So just keep in mind this one. You can try open a long position, short position, I mean, with a stop loss here at the full fill of order block with a stop loss, I don't know, like 5%, and with cycle leverage is 10 to the target 0.5 level by FIB. This one like, so 10 against the 66. But always use the stop losses, guys, because the main order block and the zone of fixation still in play, and would be good to see that direction to this point, like 56 and 59. So guys, I hope you like this video. First of all, I recommend you go and check free educational video how to work with the initiation accumulation pump model. Watch the first video about a SOMI to understand the logic. And if you would like to trade with my custom indicators, I would have showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.